Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Rachel. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys a hair review video. So please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell on all so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. And most importantly, please remember to watch the ads for me, okay? So today's hair is from ZIYGBK, right? So this is a human hair. So I'm gonna show you all what I got in package. This is a hair, and it comes with a wig band, and it comes with a 3D lash. So this is a 28-inch 13x6 deep wave lace front wig. So the hair comes with 2 pieces of wig cap as well. So it is 180 density, no tangle. As you can see, I can basically run my hand through, no shedding. So this comes with 3 combs, so 2 at the side and 1 at the back. So if you guys want to purchase this hair, I'm going to be leaving all of the important information down below so that you guys can have access to this, and I'm going to leave the link for the hair as well in the description box. So please remember to go over to ZIYGBK store and purchase this hair. So if you guys want to see me getting this install, continue to watch the video, and please remember to leave a like on the video.
She ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas he's off. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I'm seeing love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you. You got to know.
Alright guys, so please remember to go over to ZIYGBK. Just this hair, if you love this hair, right? So I'm gonna be putting the link to this hair in the description box to make you guys life a lot more easier. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please leave a like on the video, share this video with a friend, and stay tuned for more hair reviews videos to come. So it's a girl Rush, and I am out until another video. Bye.